Welcome back to the channel, guys. So as you can see, Palantir came out with a beat today with earnings, and this is one of the main reason why the market is not plumbing again. As we saw what happened today in Nasdaq took a huge hit because of what happened in China. So because of all these years of data that was collected, and in China things wasn't going as well. Most of the major market was just tanking, guys. This is ridiculous. This have never happened before. This is history that created today. As you can see, Nasdaq gave up every single gain it had encountered for this year. So back in December, and guys, yet again I drew this line numerous months ago, because this was my previous support, and I was saying, hey guys, maybe we can even find support here, and I never knew it would really happen. This was reality yesterday. This morning Nasdaq pulled back over 1,000 points in one intraday. This have never happened before, guys. What's really going on in the stock market? Let's break it down together, but please, before we do so, like and subscribe to the channel, and let's stay tuned. So as you can see, Nasdaq was just selling off because of news and what's going on in the US, because of the overbought stock and the overcompensation Nvidia has been given the market, and rate is not pulling back yet, and all of these news forced the stock market down. But when it came to reality that what's going on in China, that China stock market is just losing it over decades from in the 1980 something, guys. And it just came to reality, and it happened today, and it happened yesterday, because as you can see, yesterday the market was selling off, and now because of Palantir shows some signs of upward trend, and because they beat what was expected of earnings, the market is reacting to this. So again, because of what Palantir bring to the market, we kind of put in some wiped out $1 trillion wipe out market roll punishing gap text. So as you can see, guys, $1 trillion was wiped out, guys. That's a huge amount of money to wipe the market out. This is crazy. So again, Palantir saved the day, and 10-year Treasury yield, as you can see, is trading lower and lower, which is awesome for the market. As you see, 52-week low today. This is good for the market, guys. So this is the time you want to be in the stock market. Why? You don't want to miss out on the rally, because when this bounce is back, guys, I can tell you we're going to break roof, and we're going to create history again. So it's just history on top of history created in the stock market. And due to that, a lot of pullback we got in the market. And with all of that pullback, guys, we're finding some support. And with this support in the market, we can take to the line and say, hey, this is happening now, and how can we prepare ourselves for it, and what can we do? Nvidia traded as low as $91 today. This was crazy. A lot of people got in on this, and this sell off, a lot of people got in on this sale, and I am one of them who benefited strongly from this. But I can tell you, coming tomorrow with more earnings on the table, with a lot more to see, the market can pull back, and of course we can continue to go down more. The down tumble, most of the major index market tumble, guys. Those just selling off, and with 10-year Treasury yield giving us a new lows, that was awesome for the market. Why? Because this can only bring better news for the market. And as you can see, this week, not a lot of economic data to be collected, but with what on the chart, we're expecting on Thursday, continuous claim, and initial claim to be brought to the market. And also Wednesday, we're looking for mortgage application index. So not a lot of significant economic data to be released this week. So we are mainly focusing on nothing other than market rally, market bounce back. And with the good news, you can see that the market pull on back up but we're still not out. But again, Nasdaq is red for the year. We gave up everything that we have ever earned from the super from the Nvidia rally and also the semiconductor rally. So this is where Nasdaq was trading in April of this year, and we found support here, guys. Market tank found support, and now we're trying to find our way back. Pre-market overnight after market, Nasdaq is up over 196 points. I'm predicting a green open tomorrow. Why? Because the report that Palantir brought to the market, I think that can shed some green light on us tomorrow, and market just slightly pulling on the right side. So look out for a green open tomorrow. Anything can happen overnight, guys. Most of the stocks are at the lowest price right now. So I think it's a buy time right now, but not aggressive buy. You just want to get into the stocks, the companies that you have been waiting for to pull back. And with this pullback, you can use it as a mark to say, hey, never ever fully invest in the market. We pull on back until to new lows, and now the market is trying to find a support to push on back. So tomorrow morning, if we are up above our moving exponential line, then we're in the right direction, going back towards our 200-day moving average, guys. Don't be too late in the market again. It's the right time to get into these companies that you have been waiting for, but not aggressive. Patiently get in. If you can buy 10 shares, you buy 5 and wait to see clearer direction in the market before we start investing heavily. And remember, a lot of earnings is still expected for the rest of the week and the rest of the month. So stay patient to the market and wait until that right time. Wait until opportunity presents itself better than what's showing right now in the market before we aggressively start to spend in the market, and then we can still happen pulling back in the market, and it might cause disaster. But until then, like and subscribe and let me know what you need to know in the market, and I'm here to help you. Thanks for my subscribers, and stay tuned for more.